Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fakira. So today, my friend and I will be explaining briefly on a case review of Palaniappa, Chetty and Dupire brothers. First of all, let us start with the important things, which is the facts of the case first. So, in this case, D had borrowed $2,000 from the appellant on a promissory note and deposited with the appellant the issue document title to his land as a security for the loan. But then, when the D had defaulted in payment, appellant obtained judgment against him and applied for an order for sale of the land. However, the respondent, which is another creditor of the defendant, also wanted to claim on the land and attach on the land. So the issue for this case is whether there is any definition of lien as Section 281 of National Lien Code 1965 does not provide any definition of lien. So for the judgment of this case, per ensure judge, he said that the appellant was entitled of a lien because in this case the existence of a loan under which the lender entitled to possession of the borrower's IDT as security for the loan gave rise to the presumption that the deposit by the borrower in such an instance was made with the intention to create a lien. Okay, as for the holding and rationale, will be explained by my friend after this.
Next, I proceed with the holding and rationale in the case of Palaniappa, Chetty and Dupire brothers. So firstly, the holding. In this case, it is related with the definition of lien. So according to section 281 clause 1 of LLC 1965, it only state about the creation of lien, not the definition of lien. So in this section, it states that any proprietor or lessee for the time being may deposit with any other person of body as security his issued document of title, or as the case may be, duplicate list. So the judge in the case of Palaniappa, Chetty and Dupire brothers refer to the Husbandry Law of England to look at the definition of lien. Okay, so according to Husbandry Law of England, lien means that lien in its primary sense is a right in one man to retain that which in his possession belonging to another man until certain demands of the person in possession are satisfied. So this is the definition of lien according to Husbandry Law of England. So the judge in this case also refer the definition of lien from Latin word, which is lego or ligament. Okay, these two words means that binding or trying to securing something. Okay, next I will go to the rationale. Okay, for the rationale in this case, the word lien used in statutory provision must be construed according to its ordinary meaning, and that the holder of such a lien had the right to retain the title document until the loan in respect of which it was deposited was repaid. And the difference between lien and charge is lien is non-registrable interest in the land, lease or undivided share in land, where the charge is security in dealing which it must be registered.